Have you ever gotten a paper cut? It's tiny. Sometimes you can barely even see it, but somehow it hurts way more than a bigger cut. Why? I thought paper must be secretly sharper than knife. Well, not exactly. And this is where it gets interesting. Paper is not perfectly smooth. If you look at the edges under a microscope, it would look rough and jagged, kind of like a tiny saw. When paper cuts your skin, it does not make a clean slice. Instead, it leaves behind a messy little injury. Now let's imagine. A knife makes one clean cut, but a paper tears and scratches as it moves through your skin. Basically, paper causes a rough cut in one of the most sensitive parts of your body or your skin, and because paper cuts are usually shallow, they does not bleed much. That means the tiny nerves stay exposed and keep sending the pain signal to your brain. So the next time when you get a paper cut, remember it's tiny, it's small, but your nerves think it's a very big deal.